Hey guys, today I am coming to you with another video of this GIGI kit for waxing that I purchased on the Sally Beauty Store website. I am so excited to do this with you guys. It will be my first time. Here I have the strips, I have the actual wax warmer, I have my applicators, and I believe they are slanted. We'll get into that later. And then I have my wax that is made for sensitive skin. I will get right into this video. You guys stay tuned, subscribe if this is something you're interested in. I am opening this up for the first time with you guys, so I'm really excited. Let's get into this video. Hey guys, thank you for coming and visiting my channel. My name is Royalty, and as I stated earlier, I am going to wax my eyebrows for the first time on camera with you guys. And I got this GIGI kit, which is wonderful. I mean, we're all at home, so I am close to a unibrow at this point. Just to let you guys know, I'm just going to clean here in the middle. And yeah, let's get right into this video. Let's do it. All right, guys, so right here, I am just pulling my hair back to make sure that none of my hair is in my face or get in the wax. And I am going to, well, I was going to tie my hair down, but I decided not to. At this point, I had already washed my face, and now I'm going to clean my eyebrows with some alcohol and make sure that there isn't any dirt or residue on my eyebrows. This is kind of how I'm prepping. And you know what? I'm going to actually be brave and possibly do my mustache. So I am cleaning that area as well. So yeah, I'm just prepping. And also here, guys, I have my wax. And here is a warmer collar. It goes around the wax. It comes with the kit, one of them. It only comes with one. And it's like a multi-purpose. It helps to gather any residue wax that may come off for the stick. And it's a good way of taking your can out without burning yourself. So at this point, yeah, my wax is in there. I'm turning it on. It comes with an on and off button. It doesn't have a high-low, so I'm going to set it for 30 minutes and come back to you guys when it's done. Hey guys, okay, so my wax has been warming for about 20 minutes, so I'm going to give it another 10 minutes. I did do a little test, and I put it on the inside of my wrist. That is the best place to test the temperature. It's hard wax, so it takes a little longer to dissolve. I did see beads. They have beads in aloe and coconut and all these amazing smells. So that's something I'm going to look into as well. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to prep my eyebrows. They are very thin towards the end, but this is kind of a good thing for me because I've been always wanting to grow out my eyebrows a little thicker, but always run to get them waxed. So this kind of gave me an excuse to really let them grow out, let them get thick. That's why I'm just going to clean them. As crazy as they look, I don't want them thin. I want them thick. So right there, I'm cleaning my eyebrows, and I noticed that some hair came down. So I'm going to secure this hair right here before I do that. Now, two things is to see where I would start my clean, how far I would clean. So I saw some tips. You start with the crease of your nose and you go here. So I'm going to just mark right there for my purpose. You don't have to do this. So I kind of know where not to go past. So I'm just going to kind of do that. Like I said, this is my first time, so I need a few markers just to be sure that I stay on track. So I'm going to just kind of go like that. with the eyebrow pencil. And then my arch should be from the same crease, or should it be here? I think it's from the crease, and you kind of go on the slant. It should go through your eyebrows. So I'm gonna make sure that my arch stays right there. And then I'm gonna do the same for the other side real quick. All right, so I'm just prepping my eyebrows by just brushing them up. I set my markers, and I might have to draw the bottom part. Like I said, it's my first time. I'm glad you guys are with me. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do that off camera, prep it. By that time, the wax should be hot and we can get into waxing these bushes of mine. All right, see you soon. All right, guys, let's get into this wax. So it's been, let's see, maybe 35 minutes, and the consistency is good. It has that smell that I'm so used to smelling when I go to the salon. I miss it. All right, so I'm gonna just do the middle part for now first, because I wanna stay away from my eyebrows. I wanna see, from my eyelashes, and I wanna make sure that this is not dripping. This will be easier area for me to test for the first time. So let's get into it. So I'm just gonna go like that. So the wax, you put it in the direction of your hair, where the hair is flowing. And then you pull the opposite way. So I'm gonna kind of taunt the skin a little bit by pulling it. And then here we go. Wow, it really works. I don't know if you guys can see, but there is hair on there. Yay, I love it. All right, so the key is that you can't really wax the same area over because it's now very sensitive. So I'm gonna just go a little bit here. And this wax, even though it is melted, it's not too drippy, so I feel a little comfortable that this won't really go in my eye. It dries very quickly, so. I'm just gonna get all of my hair out. Pulling the skin up and going the opposite direction of the hair. And as you guys can see, look at all that hair that came off. So this really, really works. This wax is great. All right, so that is done. Now for underneath the eyes. Let's see. I'm so nervous, but I'm happy at the same time. I'm just gonna I'm keeping my eyebrows thick, and as I get better with this, I'll be able to be more defined. I'm gonna actually cover my eyelashes only because I'm a little nervous, so. Opposite of how the hair is growing, I'm going to pull, and I like. It's clean underneath, and let's get that top. I feel I need to really practice this with the applicator a little more. Of course, like I said, this is my first time, but I'm just going to do a little section. I'm not crazy about this lettuce cut on the strips. I mean, I just think it's useless, so that's something I'm not feeling right now. I'm just pressing down. This wax dries very quickly. I'm going to taunt the skin and pull. All right, guys, I'm feeling this. I'm going to finish up my other eyebrows, kind of have this on speed, and then I'll get back to you guys with all the information and prices. All right, see you soon. So my review on this, I think this is a great kit to have at home. It does take a little practice, but I'm really happy with how my eyebrows came out. Of course, I have to keep practicing. I just did a little bit because I am trying to get my eyebrows thick. I just cleaned it. My lips are a little red, so I am going to put some bacitration on my lips. Yeah, my lips always get red when I wax, but this is my first time using this wax for sensitive skin, so I just want to make sure it doesn't get more irritated. Things that I would recommend you have on hand, I kept about 4 cotton balls, alcohol wipes. If the wax comes off, if you make a mistake, as I showed you guys where it was here, it came right off with alcohol. I would definitely have my strips set up. I would cut them in half, but I would also have some large ones, the regular ones for your lip area. Also, I would, yeah, that's about it that I recommend. So let's get into the price of this kit. So I went on SallyBeautyStore.com. SallyBeauty.com, I'm sorry, that's SallyBeauty.com. And the actual wax itself was $16.04. I got it for sensitive skin. The strips came up to $7.49, and you get quite a bit in here. You get 100 strips for $7. The applicators came up to $7.49. And they have 100 in those as well. And the actual warmer itself was only, I'm sorry, let me give you guys the prices. I'm giving you the prices with tax. The wax was $14.99. The strips was $6.99.
and the applicator was $6.99, and the Space Saver Warmer was $25.99. So altogether, I paid about $58.81 for this. I believe I can use this wax over again because it is hard wax. This warmer, the only thing I don't like, it just has off and on, but it's pretty good. I would definitely recommend it. So I'm really happy. I don't think I'll be going to the salon anymore to wax my eyebrows or lips or my face area. I do get hair here as well. With practice and for the first time that you guys saw me do it, yeah, it was a little messy, it had a little flaws, but I would say 2 more times I'm gonna master this easy. So I would recommend getting this whole Sally Beauty Wax Kit by Gigi. It's amazing, and I'll put all the information below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate you guys tuning in with everything that's going on. You guys could be anywhere at this time watching anything online. So thank you again. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and if you are, I'm sure we all are quarantined, stay safe, wash those hands, be blessed, and live a royal life. Bye, guys.